Hello Creative Gems, welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make two beautiful mirrored flower decor for your wall that will only cost you a few dollars. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. We will need an old CD, any CD that you no longer use. We will also need a medium-sized round mirror. If your mirror comes with a frame, you will need to detach the frame from the mirror. In addition, we will need a slightly larger sized round cardboard or foam backing. Mine happens to be leftover cardboard backing I didn't use from a previous project. We will also need several packages of silver plastic spoons. We will be breaking off the round part of the spoons and using only the round part for both of our projects today. Dollar Tree sells 24 spoons in a pack for $1. The number of spoons required for this project will depend on the size of the flower decor you choose to make. I would approximate about 5 or 6 packs. And finally, we need some silver metallic paint available from the Dollar Tree, as well as some Fix-All and our handy-dandy hot glue gun. For our first project, the first step we will do is optional. We will place a round, clear crystal gem to cover the center hole of the CD. Place the gem on the shiny side of the CD. If you don't have a loose gem you can skip this step and move on to the next step. Our next step is to use some hot glue to adhere the round part of our spoons onto the CD, starting from the inner part of the CD and working our way to the outer rim of the CD. Make sure when applying hot glue to the spoon that you apply it to the bottom edge of the spoon where you broke it off from the arm. That way the spoon will sit on a reclining angle on the CD. And there you have it! Our first flower wall decor is complete. This flower can be used as table decor, or you may choose to hang it up on a wall. For our second wall decor, we place the round mirror on top of the round cardboard backing using some fix-all glue as well as some hot glue. The fix-all will take a few hours to cure and will offer permanent hold, whereas the hot glue will provide instant hold. Then we proceed to painting the rest of the cardboard backing with some silver metallic paint. Mine took about 2 coats to ensure an opaque finish. The final step for this mirror is to place the spoons on the cardboard backing, starting from the edge of the mirror and working your way out to the edge of the cardboard backing. Our flower mirror is now complete. This will look beautiful alongside the smaller flower we made earlier. These two projects were so easy to do, and the best part is how beautiful they look, and they only cost a few dollars to make. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.